Looking for the best track saw for precision cuts? We've rounded up top models that deliver smooth, splinter-free performance for pros and DIYers alike. From power to accuracy, these saws are built to handle any project. Let's dive in. If you're looking for the ultimate precision in track saws, the Festool TSV60 is the one to beat. Now, I had the chance to test this saw, and right away, the integrated scoring function stood out. It delivers splinter-free cuts on both sides from the very first pass, which is huge if you're working with delicate material. The diamond-tipped scoring blade has a crazy long lifespan, and the 60mm cutting depth gives you plenty of versatility. But what really impressed me was the kickback stop. This feature reacts in an instant to stop the saw if it detects kickback, making it one of the safest track saws you can use. The ECTEC motor delivers smooth, powerful cuts every time. And with the fast-fix spindle stop, blade changes are quick and easy. If you want top-tier precision with built-in safety, expect to pay around $1,175 for this premium plunge cut saw. Now, if you're looking for an affordable track saw setup, you really can't beat the Wen CT1065 circular track saw. It's a great option that Wen offers alongside its other woodworking tools. It's going to give you a cutting depth of 2 1/3 inches at 90 degrees and 1 5/8 inches at 45 degrees, making it ideal for both straight cuts and bevel work. The 10-amp motor delivers solid cutting power, and with the included Wen CT9110 110-inch track guide rail, you'll get clean, precise cuts across full plywood sheets. This kit also includes 2 6-inch quick-release track saw clamps, so you can keep your workpiece secure during cuts. Altogether, this setup gives you a budget-friendly alternative to premium track saw systems without sacrificing performance. Expect to pay around $169.78 for the bundle, making it a solid choice for DIYers and woodworkers on a budget. If you're looking for a cordless plunge saw with power and precision, I really like the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Plunge Track Saw, model 283121. It's going to give you clean, finished quality cuts with a power state brushless motor, pushing up to 5,600 RPM. The smooth plunging action makes it easy to control, and the variable speed dial lets you adjust blade speed to match your material. Now, if you're working with track systems, Milwaukee's adjustable cam system lets you dial in a perfect fit for straight, accurate cuts. Safety is also a big plus here, with a built-in riving knife to prevent material pinching and reduce kickback. The saw is compatible with 1 7/8 inch vac hoses for dust collection, and Milwaukee even includes onboard Allen wrench storage for quick blade swaps. You're going to pay around $639 for the kit, which comes with a battery, charger, and Pack-Out XL toolbox. My next pick for a track saw guide system is the Kreg ACCU-CUT XL. That's model number KMA3700. Now, Kreg has been making cutting guides for a long time, and this is their extended length version that I really like because of its 100-inch cutting capacity. It's going to let you break down plywood sheets with clean, accurate cuts, and you don't even need clamps to hold it in place. The anti-slip guide strips keep everything steady, and the anti-chip design helps prevent splintering, so you get smooth edges on your cuts. Oh, it's also compatible with both left and right blade circular saws, which is a nice touch for flexibility. Setup is simple. Just attach your saw, align the track, and you're good to go. The only downside here is that it's just a guide system, so you still need your own saw. Expect to pay around $179 for this one. On the professional side, I'm going to go with the Bosch GKT13225L track saw. This is a serious precision tool, built for pros who need clean, finished quality cuts in sheet goods and hardwood. With a plunge action design, it delivers spot-on accuracy while keeping cuts smooth and splinter-free. You're looking at a variable speed range from 3,600 to 6,250 RPM, so you can fine-tune it for different materials. Now, compared to something like the Festool TS55, Bosch gives you a bit more power, but it does come in slightly heavier. One thing I really like is the track system. Bosch built it to hold firm, so you get dead straight cuts every time. The dust collection is also excellent with a swiveling hose port to keep things tidy. Expect to pay around $639 for the bare tool. And if you want the full setup with the track kit, you're looking at about $958.